Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can create product bundles in Shopify. So in order to create a bundle on Shopify, first of all, log in into your Shopify account. And once you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page or the dashboard page. Once you're on this page, go to apps located right at the bottom. Now you'll need to install the particular app. So go to apps and sales channel settings. Once you've done that, scroll down right to the bottom, you can see Shopify App Store. This is going to direct you to the App Store page. Right on this page, you need to search for a bundle on the search box. Now the bundle product is right over here, so you need to go ahead and tap on bundler and click on install button located right at the bottom. So once again, for the confirmation, go ahead and tap on install app located right on top. Now you need to go ahead and create a bundler. So you need to go ahead and tap on create bundler. You'll be able to see multiple options. So from here you can see the classic one. So here you can just go ahead and select the particular one. You can also go through rest of the other features. Now you begin with creating a bundle. So here you need to fill out the form in order to create a bundle account. So you can see first of all you need to provide in your bundle name, title, description, total price template, call to action button text under call to action button. Now properties, sequence, all of that you can go through all of it, and here the coloring is one of the most important part. So you can just select the color according to the product that you've mentioned, and in order to make changes, go to this link right over here, and after that you can make changes with the colors that is only available to you. After that, you have a lengthy process to fill out all of these forms. Only then you'll be able to create a bundle account. Once you've done filling out the form, click on save bundle located right on top. As soon as you've done that, you'll need to log out or refresh off the application or an account, and after that re-log in into your account, and then you've successfully created a bundle account. So in this way you can create a bundle account on Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.